Select Clip. Under Video, select the Mask tab. Depending on your clip, change the angle of the mask. I would feather, but it's up to you. I did 40% to see how it would look. I dragged the clip on top of the other. Realized I need less feathering. Went with 30%. Put my clip to the original spot. Moved my mask off frame. Clicked on the keyframe. Use the right arrow key to move frame by frame. Adjust your max as you move through your frames. Move your clip on top. Play video and see how you like it. Thank you for watching.